Good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. So today's Navajo Word of the Day is not really going to be a word but a phrase. One of my subscribers had asked me how to say, I am so full my stomach is about to explode. You would say, wáhádzoh Ádei'eeshdá Shibidé Diildoh. To say it one more time, you would say, wáhádzoh Ádei'eeshdá Shibidé Diildoh. And that basically means I am so full my stomach is about to explode. That's how you say it. So tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So for those of you who want to know how to say I am really full, there are several ways you can say this, and that's what this video is going to cover. So of course the first way you can say this is Ádei'eeshdá. Ádei'eeshdá means I'm really full. I overate. Ádei'eeshdá. Basically, you can also use this phrase for a type of like hunger that, let's say, you weren't too hungry, but you ate more for the taste. You can also use it in that kind of sentence, as well. Ádei'eeshdá, Ádei'eeshdá. I'm really full. I overate. Ádei'eeshdá. Another way you can say that you ate a lot is Shidiiłch'ee, Shidiiłch'ee. So that kind of phrasing is more like you ate so much that you don't want anymore, that it kind of killed your taste buds, like you had too much stuffing, too much meat. Some places they use that phrase more for meat, but other places on the reservation you can mean it for, like, in general, like you ate so much that you're just tired of looking at it. That's Shidiiłch'ee. Shidiiłch'ee. I ate so much I don't want to like look at it anymore. Shidiiłch'ee. You can say it like niséłt'i, Shidiiłch'ee. Like I can't even look anymore at like fried chicken or something. niséłt'i, Shidiiłch'ee. Another way you can say this in slang is niséłt'i. niséłt'i. Like it can just be like I ate it, but it can also mean I ate a lot. niséłt'i. If you just want to say in general, I ate good, choho'íígóó. Choho'ígóó. I ate pretty good. Choho'íígóó. If somebody asks you, the question would be choho'íígóó. Choho'ígóó. That's how it would sound. Choho'ígóó. But you wouldn't say niséłt'i. Niséłt'i. That's a different type. That's more like the setting was good, the surrounding was good, the food was in just the right proportion. That's niséłt'i, and that's different from choho'ígóó, meaning I ate really good. Now, of course, if somebody asks you, "Did you get full?" you wouldn't know what that sounds like. So some people, if they were to ask you, "Did you get full?" they would say, "Ádei'eeshdá." Ádei'eeshdá. That means, "Did you get full?" Ádei'eeshdá. That's what it would sound like. Or they would ask, "choho'ígóó." Did you eat good? Another way to say I'm full is Nániichaad. Nániichaad. It basically comes from the root word niichaad, meaning like swollen, like Shikétsiin niichaad. My ankle is swollen, niichaad. It kind of has that kind of root, Nániichaad. I'm full, like kind of swollen, but it means I ate a lot. So you can also say Wáadzoh Nániichaad. Wáadzoh Nániichaad, meaning I'm really full. Wáadzoh Nániichaad. Or you can say Do choho'íígóó niichaad, meaning I'm really full. Do choho'ígóó niichaad. And also to close this video out, I also kind of like to throw in old slang terms. So here is Ádei'eeshdá, who is going to tell us about a really old Navajo slang term for saying I'm full. Happy Thanksgiving.
Well, that was a great-great-grandma. She used to say that instead of saying that, Nániichaad means I'm full after I ate. Nániichaad. Instead of saying that, I'm alright, something like that.
Oh, okay. So it means the same thing, right? I'm full?
Yeah.
And it's an old now?
After you eat.
After you eat?
Yeah, after you eat.
Oh.
She says, I'm alright, I'm full, or something like that.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.